My amazing travels. I've seen a lot of strange things during my trip, including some really weird sports and races. Here are two of the best. Cockroach racing. Cockroach racing has got to be the craziest sport on the planet. So, how did it all begin? The story goes that one day in 1982 in Brisbane, Australia, two men had an argument about which part of the town had the biggest and fastest cockroaches. The next day, they had a race to see who was right. The crowd enjoyed it so much that cockroach races have taken place every January 26th since then. Kumis Alu. When I was in Kazakhstan, I saw something that took my breath away. Horsemen riding at a full gallop leaned down out of the saddle to snatch up a handkerchief from the ground. On the left, then on the right, again and again. The winner was the one who grabbed the most handkerchiefs. I couldn't believe the skill and speed on display. The sport is called Kumis Alu, and it is a very ancient game. Thousands of years ago, the Greek leader Alexander the Great said that it was the best training for a rider. Kumis Alu is still popular in Kazakhstan, and you can see why.